There are times when I am in a creative mood, but I don't have craft supplies on hand. This is the perfect time for some nature art. Land art is a term first coined by Robert Smithson. Most works of land art use natural items made to be left in nature to change with the elements. Land art really became popular during the conceptual art movement in the 1960s and 70s. To see some professional, large-scale land art projects, look up artists such as Andy Goldsworthy, Christo and Jean-Claude, or Richard Schilling. I have my kids, Owen and Amelia, with me today, and we're going to see how creative we can get with natural items here at the Burnage Forest Preserve. Are you guys ready to do some nature art?
Yeah!
All right, let's go find some items. Oh, cool, look, there's a hickory nut. We can use that for a nose or some eyes. Yeah? Here's some acorns and an acorn cap. Maybe we can use these for something, you think? Anything over here we can use for our art project? That's a walnut.
For our project materials, we are going to utilize what nature has to offer. Different habitats provide us with all manner of interesting resources. It is important to never disturb our ecosystems. We want to work with the natural world, not against it. Our projects will exist within nature and will change and decay in rhythm with the surroundings.
Good job, dude!
We'll look for things like flowers, leaves, moss, and some other stuff that's nature.
Streams and creeks offer running water, which will smooth out rough rocks. Cattails grow here and are interesting plants with saber-like leaves and big fluffy seed heads. Leaves are bountiful in our woodlands. Pay attention to the different shapes, sizes, and colors. The natural world is full of inspiring diversity. The prairie is a kaleidoscope of life during the growing season. Flowers are blooming while pollinators busily buzz around. Let this stimulate your creative mindset. Today we created some of our own temporary land art. Hopefully it'll still be around for people to enjoy when they come to visit the Forest Preserve. If you create some of your own temporary land art, share it with us on social media.